guys, today I'm gonna see if our alternator is bad. And, so literally the simple procedure we're gonna do, guys, is just we disconnect the negative terminal. If we do that, and our car will go off, and then our alternator is bad. But if it doesn't go off, our alternator is good. So guys, let's do it and see what happens. Oh yeah, the car is off, so the car is down. So our alternator is bad, guys. So that's a simple way of telling out if alternator is bad or good, or if the battery is good, or if the alternator is good without even having a test or something like that. So that should work out for you guys. So alright guys, another thing to put in perspective, if your battery is bad, your car won't start up in the morning when you're starting up, or when you're starting up it will not start. It will just go number. You hear the alternator trying to start up, but it won't start. Also, it can be an alternator problem. Sorry, can be a starter problem too. But if the car doesn't start up, it's the battery. If the car runs up and then stops on the way, is when you pull out the negative, is the alternator. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you out also, guys, how to test for your battery to see if the battery is good or bad. And so what you normally do, if you use a tester like this, it's just a tester having this procedure and everything. I'll show you what happens. Okay, so the procedure is shows you right here. You connect like that, positive to positive, negative to negative, and then you come right here. It should show you, tells you the battery is weak, and then you put it a load. You put load on it, so when you just turn like this, it says the battery is bad. So gentlemen, if this shows up on your car, it's supposed to be on this area 12, the green part. So if it's charging, it goes to 14, but our battery is weak, so we might just as well just charge it up and then see what happens to it. If it says it's bad, guys, there's no need of charging it because it won't really help. So you just have to eventually replace your battery and get a new battery for your car. Alright guys, hope this video helps you out.